But first, cut them to length, cut dominoes in, probably 3 on these. These finished about 33mm. Yeah. So you want your tenons to be about a third. I'm going to have them about a third anyway. Right, these are the styles. I'm going to cut them both at the same time. My bench ain't long enough to put a stop on, so I squared up one end on both pieces, put a clamp on so they're flush. And I just cut them both at the same time. I need 6/14 width, so .614 there gives me 452. I'll measure it properly, 2 hands. So 6/14. 453. Little blocks, it's got champers on it, so any dust and crap doesn't get in the way. I like to put it in as if I'm cutting my next piece. So put it in, put it up. Very slightly over 0.5 millimetre. So when I put this piece in, put it in, put it up to it, should be exactly the same size. Hailstone, right. These pieces aren't bad. Hailstone on roof at the moment. These pieces aren't bad for straight, but they're not perfect. So what I've got, balanced them midway. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'll turn this one over. It's very slightly up there. Not much. A millimetre maybe. So I'll put them both the same way. So the curve, the bend matches. The door will be bent, but if I was to put it the other way, it'd be twisted as well as bent. At least this way it's just bent. The catch will pull that little bend in. The frame might even be bent. Those bought frames aren't perfect. Wood isn't perfect. I've decided to use 12mm dominoes. These are 140. This is 80mm. So I might cut them down a little bit, but normally your tenons would only be about 1/3 the thickness of your wood, but because this is just a single glazed door, I'm going to go over top a little bit. So first one I use a stop, and these ones I'm going to make a pencil mark, square them through so that I know they're straight, same on both sides. And then the first one, I'll put it so that it's, you know, no movement in it. And the next ones I'll put it on the adjustment, so there's a little bit of play so that they all line up easy. Not going to measure them. I'm going to put that one, the thickness of a domino down. I'll put it about there. Yeah, that'll do. And this one will be about there, so put this one somewhere in the middle. Just tidy that line up a little bit. And I'll mark the same on the other end. So that one's 97. And just to remind me what's what, put a mark that's pointing to my inside edge, marks my face and points to the inside edge. Right, for the top rail there, that's the same width as this. I'm just going to use the first stop on here, the one nearest the cutter. But it's a bit close to the edge. If I use the second one, that way around, puts it there, look. Just don't give me room to get a second one in. But I think I'll use that for the bottom one. So I'll put that about there. And I've got a little bit to trim off the bottom when I come to fit it anyway. It's 15mm, just slightly off centre. And I'm going to go on these ones full 70mm. And I've got my second stop there. That's for this first cut. Then to these ones I'm going to use to the pencil line. Fucking watch it. Right, they're all cut. I like to just offer them up, make sure I'm somewhat like right. I went in 70mm into the rails, but only 60mm into these. These are about 80mm. I want to have a good 10-15mm. I just need to cut these down. I went 70mm into here, 60mm into here. So that's 130, these are 140. So I'll cut them down to about 125, give myself 5mm play. I've cut them down, use PU glue again. Because I've cut them down, lost that chamfer on the top. So I've put this bit in first, and it's easier to go together. The chamfer helps you put them together. Right. It's 1964 now, that. That's just short, but I'll do. I'll leave that overnight. Put the beading on, take it to job, fit it.